Sir, up to this checked and unchecked exceptions, it's very clear. Now the next cinema, very important, sir. What is fully checked exception, partially checked exception? Of course, in the checked exceptions, again two categories are there. What is fully checked exception, partially checked exception? Very simple, sir. Do you know, if you, when we say that a checked exception is said to be fully checked, and when we say that a checked exception is said to be partially checked, sir, checked versus unchecked only we are getting the problem to understand. Then why this fully checked and partially checked? Somewhere in the next sessions this concept may be helpful. That's why compulsory you people should aware, sir. Okay, well, sir, now just very simple. If you go to shopping mall, okay, with your kid, do you have the kids? Do you have the kids? Yes or no? Don't tell no. Even you are not having the kids, just tell soon, we will bless, sir. Just soon, we will get the kid. Okay, so like you have to tell soon. Okay, anyway, you went to the shopping mall with your kid. In the shopping malls, security these days is the very common, right? Now, in the shopping mall, they are going to check only parent. So metal detector is there. They are going to check only parents, but small kid, they never going to check. Ignore. This type of checking is called partial checking. Are you getting partially checked? So parent should be checked, but kid not required to check. Kid need not be checked. Such a type of checking is called partial checking. Just observe general word. Full checking means if you go to the airport to travel to some other place with your kid. In the airport, whether you are parent or kid, everyone should be checked properly. Are you getting? Parent should be checked, kid also should be checked. Are you getting? Parent should be checked, kid also should be checked. This type of checking is called full checking. Are you getting it? Fully checked. So partially checked, fully checked, what it means? So parent compulsory checked, child need not be checked. This type of thing is called partially checked. Okay, parent compulsory checked, but child, parent and child both compulsory should be checked. Such a type of checking is called full checking. Observe a bit very carefully, sir. Best example, IO exception. Have you observed? IO exception. This IO exception is checked. It is a checked, sir, because it is not under runtime, it is not under error. It is not under runtime exception error, it is a checked. It is a checked. It's a child also checked, sir. The child is also checked. That's why. So IO exception is said to be fully checked exception, because, sir, it is already checked. All its child classes also checked, fully checked. Sir, interrupted exception, fully checked. Servlet exception, fully checked. Remote exception, fully checked, sir. All these are fully checked. Sir, now what about exception? Exception is checked, because it is not under runtime exception, it is a checked, sir. So exception is checked, but some of its child classes are unchecked. Are you getting? Some are checked, some are unchecked. That's why exception is partially checked. Exception is partially checked. Observe carefully, sir. Exception itself is what? Partially checked. Next, what about throwable? Throwable is also checked, sir. Checked. Basically, it is the checked. Next, because it is not under runtime exception, it is not under error, it is checked. So for these, some child classes are unchecked, some child classes are checked. That's why it is also partially checked. It is also partially checked. Remember this one. So if the parent is checked, but child need not be checked, such a type of thing is called partially checked. If the parent is checked and the child is also checked, such a type of thing is by default considered fully checked. Remember this one. So it is what? Fully checked, but these things are partially checked. Sir, now can you please tell any three partially checked exceptions in our exception hierarchy? Any three partially checked exceptions in our exception hierarchy? Please confirm. Already two things already there. Throwable and partial and exception. These two are partially checked. Sir, just this total is unchecked. In the case of unchecked, partially fully checked, no, it is unchecked. Next, fully checked, fully checked, fully checked, fully checked. So, the only possible partially checked exceptions in Java, the only possible partially checked exceptions in Java are only two things. One is throwable, second one is exception. Only these two are partially checked exceptions. Except these, all the remaining are fully checked only. Remember that, I mean fully checked exceptions only. But sir, except that unchecked. Unchecked already you people aware. Clear, right? So very important question for the interview room. What is partially checked? What is fully checked? Or what is checked? What is unchecked? Can you explain with an example? Then you should be in a position to answer. Clear, right? Okay, I will give some small things. Okay, you have to identify whether these are fully checked or partially checked, right? Okay. Sir, up to this it's very clear what is checked, unchecked, partially checked, fully checked, right? Sir, now I have some exceptions are there. You have to tell which are checked or unchecked or partially checked or fully checked, sir. Can you please observe? First one, IO exception. Is it a checked or unchecked? Can you please confirm? Is it a checked or unchecked? It is checked because it is not under runtime exception. It is not under error. IO exception is checked, sir. Next, IO exception is checked and all its child classes also checked. That's why this one is fully checked. Remember this one. So the first one, if you observe, it is checked. It is checked. Of course, it is fully checked. Regarding it is a fully checked exception, right? Okay. So it's very clear about first one. First one, IO exception checked, fully checked. Next, what is a runtime exception? Just now I told runtime exception and all its child classes. Runtime exception and all its child classes are unchecked. That's why. So simply it is unchecked, sir. Simply this one is unchecked. Unchecked. Okay. Sir, now what about interrupted exception? What about interrupted exception, right? Interrupted exception, okay, is not under runtime exception, is not under error. That's why it is the checked and it is not having the child. If any child is there, it is also checked. That's why it is a fully checked. Interrupted exception is what? Fully checked exception. Okay, let me take, sir, here it is interrupted exception is also fully checked, sir. Okay, like it is the checked at the same time fully. Sir, what about error? What about error? Error, sir. Error and its child classes are unchecked. I told, right? Error and its child classes are unchecked. Unchecked, right? So runtime exception and its child classes, error and its child classes are unchecked. That's why error is unchecked. Okay. Now let me take, it is unchecked, sir. Okay. Sir, what about throwable? Have you remembered, right? Throwable is not a child class of runtime exception, is not a child class of error. That's why obviously this one is checked exception, sir. But for throwable, some child classes are unchecked, like runtime exception, error, these are unchecked. That's why throwable is checked but partially checked. Observe that carefully, sir. Throwable is checked but partially checked. Regarding it is partially checked, not fully checked, right? Okay, well, now what about arithmetic exception? Arithmetic exception is the child class of runtime exception. Runtime exception and all its child classes are unchecked exceptions, right? That's why runtime exception, I mean arithmetic exception is unchecked. Null pointer exception is also unchecked because arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, these are child classes of runtime exception. That's why these two things are unchecked. Observe carefully, sir. Here just arithmetic exception is unchecked, next null pointer exception is also unchecked, because both are child classes of runtime exception, right? Next, what about exception? Sir, exception is not under runtime exception, is not under error. That's why it is the checked exception, right? But some of child classes of exception like runtime exception is unchecked. That's why, so it is partially checked. It is partially checked exception, sir. Have a look once here. Here this is, sir, checked only, but it is partially checked, sir. It is the checked only, but it is partially checked. Okay, like next, what is file not found exception? What is the file not found exception? File not found exception is a child class of IO which is not under runtime, which is not under error. Obviously it is the checked, sir. So no child class is there for file not found exception. Obviously it is fully checked exception. File not found exception is what? Fully checked exception. Okay, have a look once, sir. So it is checked, but this one is fully checked exception. Any doubt about this one, sir? So just my intention of covering all these things, so your concept will get much clarity. At the same time, if you are having any doubts, automatically will be clarified. That's all, sir. This is about what is checked and unchecked exceptions. Most valuable important concept for the entire room, even to learn the next topics in exception handling. Take a bit very special care about this concept. Clear?